Hi, it's Benchmark Benny here. Do you think your settled cases are just old news? Well, they shouldn't be. Your injury results should be working 24/7 as superpowered magnets pulling in leads from both Google searches and the all-important AI chatbots. In this short video, I'll reveal exactly how to display and optimize them for maximum AI and SEO impact. First, stop using those vague one-line summaries. AI ignores those. Instead, use this proven winning formula on every single case result. Start with a strong, clear headline, like $3.5 million trucking accident in Las Vegas. Then give the all-important case details. First, the exact location of the incident. Think major intersections or highways, the date, the lead attorney, and if it went to court, mention the specific court name. You also want to include the injuries that were sustained and the hospital your client was taken to. Explain the legal challenge, what the insurance company fought hard against. Then, present your winning legal strategy or formula, and any experts you may have brought in. Finally, finish up with the personal side of it. If you can, explain how the money recovered helped your client move forward with their life. Implement this today and you'll start using your past case results to become digital marketing gold. Have any questions? Reach out to Benchmark today. We are more than happy to help. Let's start winning in AI search together.